Hi everybody, my name is Mazhar Anjum and I'm client manager in Exclusive Links Real Estate, which is one of the leading real estate company in Dubai. I've been in this real estate market from last 13 years and now I realized this is the best time to invest in Dubai real estate. You know, in every country, the real estate price line will never go straight. It always make curve, and like this kind of correction always giving time to investors or end users to come forward and invest and buy real estate. Either you're investing in off-plan or you're investing in the secondary market, both have own benefits. I personally like more secondary market. Why? Because you are on the driving seat, you have cash in hand, you have power, you are king in market. Either you have full cash or mortgage, it's the same. That's only the process. And you physically can go and see the properties as much you want, and then you can decide which is in your favor, and then you can make offer to the properties and you will see like which one coming good for you. And again, you can see the layouts of the properties, which is very important. Sometimes you have the living room is fine, but the bedroom sizes are smaller. Sometimes you have the master bed is fine, but the second room is smaller. But when you see physically, things are completely different. You can see your property has Gulf Coast view, sea view, marina views, the lake views. Like you can see exactly, and how is your property has the brightness. What time you have sunlight in your property, and again you can have the idea about the service charges. Not idea, you can have the exact like how much you need to pay per square feet per year, even including the car parking spaces. For example, yesterday I went in Dubai Marina. I will not take the building name, but I went in the allocated parking, which was for my landlord parking space. Honestly, it was very difficult to park over there. It took time, and maybe it was first time for me. But sometimes you have the easy parking spaces. You can see all these things. And the main is the negotiation. You have the negotiation power. And the second best, what I like more, you giving money and you taking keys. Either you going to live or you going to rent. And you live, it's the best, but if you are renting and you paid one side to the seller and other side you rented your property and you start taking rent. Off-plan properties have own benefits. Developers really giving the great discounts, and again the very easy and flexible payment plans. Let's say Imar selling 2-bedroom townhome in Dubai South in range of 1 million dirham. And if you make the payment 50%, you can have the more discount. Even the normal price they giving DLD waiver, but if you make the 50% payment, you can have the more discount. And if you rent, for example, the 1 million property in 50,000 dirham rent, and the service charges, it's around 4 dirham per square feet, and you can have the great return, more than 6% you can have, and it's a brand new community. And then I will say, this is the best time to invest in Dubai because I never seen this kind of the prices. It's really great opportunity. This is the time to come and invest in Dubai real estate to make the great asset. And you will have the Expo, it's 1 year late now, but again, Expo is coming and you will see how much you will have the appreciation because now the prices are really very down. And again, the rental income will increase, and this is the best time to invest, as my opinion. And Dubai again saying welcome to everybody. Thank you very much.